What if I told you there's a single ETF that has quietly outperformed many popular funds, paid consistent income, and built a loyal following of long-term investors, without the hype? Today, we're talking about SCHD, and why many investors still call it the king of dividend ETFs. If you're into passive income, long-term investing, or financial independence, you've probably heard of SCHD, the Schwab US Dividend Equity ETF. But here's the real question. Is SCHD actually that good, or is it just another overhyped dividend fund? In this video, we'll break down what SCHD actually is, why it has outperformed many competitors, its strengths and weaknesses, and whether it still deserves the crown in 2026. Hello viewers, if you are enjoying this content, and you do not want to miss future videos filled with even more tips, tricks, and inspiration, hit that subscribe button now to stay tuned with this, and remember to comment and share. What is SCHD? SCHD tracks the Dow Jones US Dividend 100 Index. But unlike many dividend ETFs, it's not just chasing high yields. Instead, it focuses on strong cash flow, consistent dividend growth, financial stability, high return on equity. This means SCHD doesn't just pick companies that pay dividends, it picks companies that can sustain and grow them. Top holdings often include large, profitable U.S. companies, businesses with durable competitive advantages, firms with long histories of rewarding shareholders. Performance that speaks. Let's talk performance. SCHD has historically delivered competitive total returns, lower volatility than the broader market, strong dividend growth over time, and here's the key insight. It's not just about the yield, it's about total return plus income growth. That combination is why many long-term investors prefer SCHD over high-yield but risky ETFs or growth-only funds with no income. Why investors love SCHD? There are 4 major reasons SCHD stands out. 1. Dividend growth. SCHD consistently increases its payouts over time. 2. Quality filter. It avoids weak companies with unsustainable dividends. 3. Low expense ratio. It's extremely cost efficient compared to many competitors. 4. Simplicity. One ETF gives you diversified exposure to high-quality dividend stocks. The downsides. SCHD isn't perfect. Here are some things you need to know. It's US only, no international exposure. It can lag during high-growth bull markets. Yield is moderate, not the highest available sector concentration. Financials, industrials, consumer staples. So if you're chasing maximum yield or aggressive growth, SCHD may not fully satisfy you. SCHD versus other dividend ETFs. Compared to other popular dividend ETFs, SCHD focuses more on quality plus growth. Some ETFs focus only on high yield, which can be risky. Others include weaker companies just to boost income. SCHD strikes a balance, and that's what gives it long-term strength. Is SCHD still the king in 2026? So, is SCHD still the king? For many investors, yes, and here's why. It combines income plus growth. It avoids dividend traps. It's simple, low cost, and proven, but king depends on your goals. If you want stability plus growing income, right pointing arrow SCHD shines. Maximum yield, right pointing arrow look elsewhere. High growth, right pointing arrow consider other ETFs. In conclusion, at the end of the day, SCHD isn't flashy. It doesn't promise overnight gains. But what it does offer is consistency. And in investing, that's incredibly powerful. So the real question is, are you chasing hype or building long-term wealth? This video is for informational and educational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. Investing involves risk, including the loss of principal. Always do your own research or consult with a qualified financial advisor before making investment decisions. If you found this helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and check out the next video where we break down the best ETFs for passive income in 2026.